Suzuya has proved nothing. Won by a count-out. A count-out. Look at me. I had no energy getting in the ring. Oh, I'm so mad. But I still haven't been pinned or submitted since October. And nothing is going to change. This tournament means nothing now if I'm not in it. But I'm not done. Eventually, this year, whether it's Michael Oku, RKJ, Suzuya, whoever, I will be the undisputed British heavyweight champion. Say less.